Today we are in Delhi's Aerocity, a one-stop destination for corporate travelers coming to the national capital from all across the globe. Just 5 to 10 minutes away from the Delhi airport, this area houses luxury hotels, business centers, malls, restaurants, and the economy is largely led by corporate flyers. But a lot has changed since the air travel has not maintained a steady recovery. Today we find out how are these businesses changing with the times.
Essentially, a lot of people with drivable distances, a lot of local community is coming and staying with us over the weekends. As far as socials are concerned, again with limited capacity, we are seeing a lot of weddings coming in terms of queries right now, and a lot of demand for the last quarter of this year can also be seen on that front. Specifically, if I speak about corporate travel, I think this will take a little bit more time because that is something which is not being proactively either encouraged.
You know, the other very important thing is that the rates have impacted adversely. You know, it is all about demand and supply. Since supply has been less, the rates have gone down, which are slowly recovering in Aerocity as well. So we hope that the trend will be upward.
Obviously, there was corporate people, they used to come in the restaurant and have some food, and that has been dropped. Yeah, in a big scale, you can say it has been dropped. Yeah, we are giving preference more to walk-in people, so people don't want to come here all the way and get disappointed. So
we came back to our offices on 7th of June, and henceforth every day we've been seeing an increase in terms of the occupancy levels of office. So hopefully we see that probably it's the starting of Q2. So I think we should be witnessing a lot of companies having their staff strength back to normalcy by maybe late of Q3.
Moving ahead, we do see a change in terms of the hotels, a change in the demographic of the guest, the profile of the guest I'm talking about. Earlier, if I talk about the Aerocity, was purely transit business. Now we also are catering to the staycations. The corporate traveler has started moving, but this is very nascent stage, I would say. To answer your question, pre-COVID, I only see it in next year, 2022. This year, it will start coming in. We do see it getting better. The way the government starts easing out restrictions, international travel, the moment it starts, we do see a surge coming up. But proper pre-COVID numbers, for surely 2022.
During the pre-COVID period, the Aerocity community was certain of getting a substantial percentage of business from every flight arriving at the Delhi airport. But since 2020, the percentage has remained in single digit. For now, green shoots are visible and the businesses here are hoping for a slow and steady recovery. This is me, Anu Sharma, reporting from Delhi with camera person Gaurav Tyagi.